Hello, she is Susan. She is running a big business in Malaysia. Nowadays, she has overseeing sales team and production team. Her sale is always like this. Her profit from higher becoming down. Customer complain a lot. She don't want to let anyone go. So she decided to make a training. Before that, she must do a training need analysis. The first step is establishing organizational commitment and support. When you establish the relationship with senior management and other key personnel, you will be more comfortable with your interaction and you feel close bond to the people. From that, you can form a liaison team. Step 2 is organizational analysis. First, we must specify goal, that is what we need, know what we want, and then we can go for it in a constructive and productive way. Next is determine a training climate. It consists 6 clear elements which was clarified, commitment, standard, responsibility, recognition, and teamwork. All of this can be measured and managed. Then, we should identify the external and legal constraint. External constraint is something outside business that stop the business achieving its aims and objectives. For example, changing the consumer taste. Lastly, we have to identify the resources. Resources is an economic is a productive factor. Step 3 is requirement analysis. It has 6 contents. First, determining target job. Target job is how the data to be collected, who is going to be involved, providing a critical part, and assigning the key point. Second is the determine a method. It obtain accurate, valid, and reliable information. It is include interview, observation, survey test, record, and so on. The third one is the determine participant is reveal alternative to see the viewpoint of other. The fourth is the determine point and contract of their key responsible. Key responsible is when other person to come participate each other to solve the problem. The fifth is the anticipate the problem. Each person anticipate to the problem to solve the problem together. Lastly is the develop a protocol to ensuring both project accountability, future comparability and replicability of the TNA exercise. Step 4 is the need assessment. It is used to assess 3 components which was competency and performance, work team, the problem solving and the need to prepare response to future changes in organizations or job duty. Need assessment content are first specified tasks accurately. Second, the cluster tasks, which is the tasks are clustered into group which are done beforehand, and then the tasks within a group have a similar weight vectors. Next is a KSA, which is a knowledge, skill, and ability. KSA is a list of specified qualification among them. Step 5 is the person analysis. First, we must to identify individual need for training. The question that will be given is include when the necessary knowledge, skill, and ability are prerequisite to entering the job. Step 6 is the input to and design of training environment and training evaluations. There are 2 parts, which is competence analysis and special training needs. Competence analysis is ability to perform whole work role to the standard expected. Special training needs is the design of training needs that also require learning abilities, diversity management, and team-based work.
How much do I need to fill me up? It feels so good, it must be love. It's everything that I've been dreaming of. I give up, I give in, I let go. Let's begin. 'Cause no matter what I do,